Guys, here is our dictionary. But you guys might be asking, how dictionary? Okay, fair enough. I'm gonna explain everything. So first of all, this big box over here, it's the name that you're gonna give your dictionary. Actually, it's more than a name. Actually, it's the variable that is gonna store your dictionary, your real dictionary. So this big box over here, let me change the color so you guys can understand better. So this red box will be our variable called diet. So this box will store our dictionary, and the name for this box is diet. So there's a label. Let's imagine there is a label called diet in this box. All right. So now let's talk about what is inside this big red box. So inside there are four other boxes. They are smaller ones, right? They are smaller than the big one. So they are inside the big box. And this small box, four, one, two, three, four, they will be our key for the dictionary. So the set of these boxes and whatever is inside that are the dictionary. But let's talk about the key. So this key number one here, the name for this box, smaller box, will be called breakfast, and the name of this one will be lunch. This one snack and this one dinner, right? So we have four small boxes, and each box has its own label. So in the first box, the label is breakfast. So these are the keys. The keys are these four boxes. So there is the first key, which is breakfast, the second key, which is lunch, the third key, which is snack, and the fourth key, which is dinner, right? But what are the values inside these boxes, these keys? Well, so as you can see inside these small boxes, there are something that will divide in two, right? So inside this small box, there is a compartment here, two compartments, right? And that will be the values inside. So inside this, for example, let's go for our breakfast box. Here in our breakfast box, it has two values. The first value, let's say it's wheat germ, this one, okay? And the other value is 1 scoop. Now pay attention because it sounds hard to understand at first, but it's not. If you have any knowledge about computer science, about data structure, you're gonna understand this right away. So, or almost right away. So let's think this way. This value in this small box, which is the key, breakfast key. So the value inside the box breakfast key is wheat germ. The other value is 1 scoop, right? Same here for the next box key. The values inside are two. So the first value is chicken breast, and the second value is 1 medium. Now, there's something important you need to understand. one value, the first value here is related to the second value. They are not separate. I mean, not in theory, but if you're gonna see physically, yeah, they are. But what I mean is that they are linked somehow because, for example, for this box here, lunch key, the values are chicken breast and how many chicken breast, one medium. So we are storing in different compartments the same value but in the same box, which is the key, right? So this is our first class. I think you have enjoyed, and I really hope you can understand a little bit about dictionaries just by looking at this point. I actually plan to improve this for sure. And that's it for now. And see you next class where I'm gonna talk about the logic, okay, for dictionaries. So it will be part 2 for this lesson. Thank you very much.